Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into the world of Miele vacuum cleaners and showing you how to fix common issues that might be affecting your cleaning experience. So, let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide detailed information. Loss of suction. One of the most frustrating problems with a Miele vacuum cleaner is a loss of suction. If you notice your vacuum isn't picking up dirt and debris as effectively as before, there are a few possible causes. Next, empty the dustbin and ensure it's free from any blockages. A fully clogged dustbin can also lead to a loss of suction. Additionally, inspect the hoses for any cracks or obstructions that might impede airflow. By addressing these issues, you can restore the suction power of your Miele vacuum cleaner, ensuring efficient cleaning performance. Faulty brush roll. Is your Miele vacuum cleaner's brush roll not spinning or performing poorly? The culprit could be a faulty brush roll. Start by examining the brush roll for any tangled hair, threads, or debris. Gently remove these obstructions to allow the brush roll to rotate freely. If the brush roll is worn out or damaged, it might need to be replaced. Contact Miele customer support or visit their website for genuine replacement parts. Clogged hose. The clogged hose can greatly impact the performance of your Miele vacuum cleaner. If you're experiencing weak suction or blockages, it's time to inspect the hose. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.